Hey folks, today is August the 21st. It's currently about 8:50 in the morning. Today is going to be our last day in the Rightline Trading room. As you can see here, they took 18 ticks in profit on the CL. This was about 8:30. And over here on the ES, it looks like they took a -6 tick loss, and that was about 8:26 from what I can see here. Alright, so I'm going to go ahead and pause it. I'm going to try to keep this video under 20 minutes if possible. And I'll see you guys on the first trade setup. Alright guys, on the ES we're going to sell it down close.
Order pending.
Not filled
Order
yet.
We're in the trade.
We're in the trade now. One tick away from being stopped out here.
Stop filled.
Just got hit.
That's a perfect double top on the ES.
Alright guys, let me go ahead and pause it. I'll be back in the next opportunity. Alright guys, we're going to sell the ES on a down close again. I'll be back once our pending order gets entered. Alright, pending order's in. See if we can get back up here to get filled into the trade.
Crude's coming up.
Alright, a few more ticks and we'll be in here. Wow, came within one tick of it getting filled. Tell you what guys, let me pause it and I'll be back once we get
Alright, you have to
into
cancel the ES trade.
Alright, let's cancel it.
It's a
Order canceled.
rare trade.
Didn't
It's
get
a
filled.
winner, but we didn't get into the trade because we had no pullback.
Alright, I'll be back on the next opportunity. Alright guys, we're going to buy an up close on Crude. I'll be back once this bar ends. Alright guys, that trade was canceled.
Trade is canceled on Crude. No follow through to the upside.
Alright, so I'll pause it and I'll be back shortly. Alright guys, he called to buy an up close on Crude, but it went by a little bit too quick. Wasn't able to jump in on that one. They got entered around 41.08. So we'll see if the market gets back down to 41.08, and I might decide to just jump in with them. I don't think I've tested this little buy button here, so actually 41.08.
Target failed.
They just got their first target hit.
Close it. Close at 16. 16, we're out. At 1 through 17. Right, we're going to take it out at the value area high.
Okay, so a good trade right there. He just called it so quick that once this bar finished, it was already moving up. Wasn't any time to get it in for me.
We'll see how far the move goes.
Alright, hopefully we'll catch another one, but that was a winning trade here. Be back shortly. Alright guys, we're going to be buying it up close on crude. I'll come back once this bar ends. Alright guys, we've got an order pending here.
Alright, we're filled on crude.
I gotta tell you, this is pretty crazy.
Target's filled.
They're using the exact same pullback as me, and yet they're getting filled. But for some reason, I'm not able to. It's pretty
Order canceled.
frustrating.
Come on, go, go. God damn it. Excuse me. I'm sorry. I apologize.
That's pretty bothersome, folks, here. As you can see, we do have the one pullback just like the vendor does, but we were not able to get filled. That's the second winning trade that we've missed because we used the pullback.
We waited, we got it.
This isn't strictly to the rules, but I'm just going to go ahead and change that back to 0. Missed two good trades at this point with that, so I'll go ahead and pause it.
Another pullback on crude in order to take a trade long.
I'll be back with you guys shortly. Alright guys, we're going to buy the ES on an up close. Let's see if we get it here. Seems to be pushing pretty hard down right now, but we'll wait and see what happens. Alright, that was canceled out. And of course, I still have the one tick pullback on the ES. Alright, be back with you guys shortly.
Order pending.
Alright guys, we're going to buy the ES on an up close. Should be getting filled here shortly. Come on down, one more tick and we'll be in.
Order filled.
There it is. Alright guys, let's see what happens here.
Come on, go! There it is, first target. And second target, I believe. And we're out.
Target filled.
There we go.
Alright, we still have 2 in. Let's see if it pushes up. All we have to do is go
Push
through
right
it.
through a point before it came back.
If we can get one tick higher on that second target, we'll be out of it.
Stop filled.
I mean, it's so choppy. It's just really tough.
Alright, well, we were able to hit our first target on that. We would have got that CL trade that I missed. We would be in profit right now, but unfortunately we did miss it. Missed the pullbacks twice today, or got not entered into 2 trades because of the pullback. So alright, let me go ahead and pause it and we'll see what happens
Watch
next.
the ES.
Alright guys, we're gonna buy the ES on an up close. Actually, that just ended. Didn't close as an up bar, as you can see here. Alright, we'll be back on the next one and see what happens.
Filled.
Alright guys, we just got filled on our
Alright, we're filled on
CL
crude.
trade. Hopefully this one will go better for me. these ABC trades have been performing really
filled.
well.
Move to break even. There's our first target. Target's filled.
Target filled.
Second target's filled. Go, 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 go.
And we're coming back a little.
Come on, go down. Close on and up close. Close on and up close. All right, we're out of the trade. Ugh.
Stop filled.
I went 13.
Great trade. Like I said, guys, these A, B, C trades have been doing extremely well. Had one here that did nice, as you can see. I don't believe, actually, I think that might have been one of the ones we took, but then there's another one here, A,
Thank
B,
you.
C. So a nice trade there. And again, they are in profit. I just missed a few trades because of the pullback issue.
Now the continuation trade is way off all support.
All right, I'll be back shortly. All right, guys, we're filled on Crude. By the time he had called it, market had already moved down to the next bar. So I went ahead and I just basically pressed that button there, got me into the market right away.
All right, move to break even. Move to break even.
Stop filled.
All right, and stop just got hit.
All right, it just got break even.
All right, I'll pause
I
it.
hate to do that.
We're only at 12 minutes here.
God almighty.
Be back with you guys shortly. All right, guys, we're going to sell Crude on a down close. As you can see here, this is one of those ABC patterns, so hopefully this will be a nice setup if we get it.
Order filled.
All right, guys, we're in the trade now.
We're filled.
Order just got hit.
Target filled.
Target's out. Close the trade.
Target filled.
64, 63. Not even though you can get it out that fast.
We're still in the trade. I'm going to follow it down as long as I can. Giving it a little room to breathe here.
I went way too fast for me to close. Man, did that just fire down. I mean, we're still in the trade. There's no way you could have gotten out of that trade that fast. I didn't even have my hand off the mouse.
Stop filled.
All right, stop just got hit. Like I said, guys, once again, those ABC trades
We'll close it here at 53.
have proven to be extremely
Right here
powerful.
at 53, right at this lower pivot.
And you can definitely see what I'm talking about. If you go back and check some of the previous videos, these do extremely well. So definitely check that out. If you're coming into the trade room, definitely check on these. If you want to focus on them, that's fine. If not, he does do a lot of continuation trades and stuff as well.
Close it at 54 to give it a little bit of extra.
But that's just something I've noticed.
If we would have closed it, we still would have gotten 2 targets. It's just the speed of the move down just made it impossible. And sometimes the speed of the move up makes it impossible for us to stop a loser.
right, let's see if he's going to end it there.
Okay, well that's it.
Yep, that's
That's
it.
our sixth winner. And we're just going to go over all the trades. And if you'd like to stay, I have some really great slides for you.
You can see
to go over
here,
our trading,
large winner there,
trading
large
system.
winner there, nice size
And,
winner there.
So just hold on 1 second. Leo just stepped out for 1 minute. I need him to help me. I mean, the software walked us through all of this chop, and I want to take a look at.
All right, guys, he's about to go over everything that happened today. At the end of our trading, he always goes over all the trades that we took and explains and answers questions in here in the trade room, as you guys can see. So definitely visit, we can take a look here. Visit RightlineTrading.com. You'll get a pop-up that says get free live trading room and software trial. Enter your name, email, and phone number, and they'll go ahead and get you set up with that. And you guys also got to see me use the Ninja DOM indicator or software here. That helps us to get into the trade much quicker than we ordinarily would be able to. And today, as you guys saw, we took lots of trades. Unfortunately, my software here, I was using the pullback, and it didn't allow me to catch a few trades, but that's something you can easily fix by simply changing this to 0, which I ended up doing, and that kind of got rid of that problem that I was having. So yeah, with that being said, we ended the day with 265. Obviously, it would have been a lot higher if I wouldn't have missed those trades in the crude, but it is what it is. I'm glad you guys got to see the indicators in action. You guys got to see the trade room, and you guys also got to see the NDT software for entering the orders. Anyway, if you have any questions, don't hesitate to shoot me an email, and that is going to be it for this video series, and I hope you guys enjoyed it. Take care, folks.